Yo, new sneaker pickup today. Went to Champs. These dropped at Footlocker yesterday, and these dropped at Champs stores today. I think official release is February 1st, which will be launching online and other online stores. But Champs, Footlocker, they dropped them early. Got my receipt right here. Y'all know it's official. So these are the 3.0 Zebra, Oreo, whatever you want to call them. Boost box. Retail is $180. Ultra Boost. Got it in a size 8. There it is. Zebra or Oreo, whatever you want to call. Whatever you want to call them. Ooh, hell yeah. These are fucking nice. Check it out. Translucent cage. Black heel cup, Ultra Boost. Check out that pattern on the back. You got that 3.0. Super thin. Comes with these crazy laces. Check out the tongue. The fat tongue with that prime knit. Black insole Ultra Boost. These drop today. Go to your local Champs stores if you want a pair, or you can wait until February 1st for online releases. Just happy I was able to pick this up today. Dropped by there, picked it up. Super clean in my opinion. Check out the toe box. People say they can see a cat face right there. Tell me if you see it or not. But yeah, I'll call these the Zebras because that's what GOAT has them listed as. Yeah, man. 2017 is crazy for Adidas. It's gonna be lit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.